The home is not just about freedom, it is about an upgrade to luxury lifestyle. Introducing Aeroface. Hi, I'm Snehal, here to help you show around this grand project. Welcome to the beautiful Godrej city, Panvel. There are projects already delivered and ongoing as well. Spreaded over 145 acres, having a golf course in 30 acres. Let me take you to the sample flat. Three BHK, 1100 square feet. Now we have a 55,000 square feet of clubhouse with gymnasium, 40 plus sports amenities, also senior citizen pool and a kids pool. Panvel, a region on verge of transformation. 60 million plus flyers yearly, turning Panvel into a real estate hotspot. Airport will redefine regional connectivity. 2.5 lakh plus job will create demand for home and commercial spaces. Direct access to airport, boosting Panvel's growth. And Atal Setu, enhancing access to South and Central Mumbai. With never before flexible payment plan, you're just one call away from your dream upgrade and a best investment near Mumbai.